Hello friends, welcome to Swara's Sweet Delights. Today's recipe is requested recipe and it is Nylon Dhokla or Khaman Dhokla, which is instant. And before this also I uploaded one Dhokla recipe which was fermented, but this Dhokla recipe is very easy and instant recipe, and you can also see the texture over here, nice and fluffy and airy. So let's quickly begin with the recipe. Let's see the ingredients for this instant Khaman Dhokla. Here we have gram flour or besan, 250 ml of water. Then here is citric acid. Now I've measured this and I've taken 5 grams, and this you can easily get into any supermarket or kirana stores. It is readily available now everywhere. And here is some salt. Again, salt I've measured it. I've taken here 12 grams, and here it is approximate 1.5 teaspoon. And here is baking soda. This is again 5 grams, and instead of baking soda you can also make use of 1 packet of ENO. Let's quickly see the other ingredients. Here we have water. This is 200 ml. Then this is sugar, 50 grams. You can increase or decrease the amount of sugar as per your sweet preference. Then here is mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon, few curry leaves, 2 to 3 chopped green chilies. Again you can increase or decrease, or you can skip green chilies if you are making for kids. Then here is freshly chopped coriander leaves and freshly grated coconut. Also we will need some oil for tempering. Now here I have taken one cake tin or aluminium tin, and I have greased it with little oil. In this we are going to make our dhokla, and instead of this you can also make use of pressure cooker tins, or you can make use of thali or steel plate. Now here today I am going to steam my dhokla in this idli cooker stand, and here I have placed this idli stand inside, so it will give me proper grip. And below I have placed some water, and in this now we are going to pour our batter. Now we'll begin with the process. First, to a bowl we'll add water. To this water we'll be adding this citric acid crystals and salt, and we will mix this very well. This mixture is ready now. It has dissolved, and to this now we'll be adding gram flour. And again we are just going to mix it very well. We have to break all the lumps in it. You can see here our batter is ready and it is nice and lump free. And now at this stage we'll be adding this cooking soda to it, or baking soda. And again we have to just mix it very vigorously. You can see the change in the batter, the color as well as the texture of the batter. It will become nice and fluffy. Now without wasting any time, we are quickly going to pour this batter into our prepared tin. We will steam it on medium-high flame for nearly half an hour. You can see here how nice it has become, and it's quite hot now. I'll just take it out and we will let it cool for some time. Now here to a kadai I added 2 teaspoons of oil, and here I am using less oil. You can add some more oil if you want. Oil is hot, and we'll add mustard seeds to it. We'll add curry leaves, then green chilies. After adding green chilies, I will just switch off the flame, and after a gap of 2 minutes we will add water to it. We will add water to this. Also I will be adding sugar, and again I will just switch off the gas flame. And we have to mix it well until the sugar dissolves. Here sugar has dissolved and our tempering is ready, and we have to cool it for some time. Don't pour it hot over the dhokla, otherwise dhokla will immediately become soft and soggy. Now I have loosened the sides with knife, and now I am going to unmold this dhokla completely. Instead of unmolding, you can cut it directly and then you can take out the pieces. So we'll just unmold it very gently. You can see how nicely it has unmolded, and you can also see how nice and spongy and fluffy it is, airy. You can see the net in it. Again, I'll just flip it over. Now I'm just going to cut it. I've cut it into pieces and I'll just show you one piece. You can see it is bouncing back and it is so airy and so nice with nits. I'll just add some freshly grated coconut. I'll just add some freshly grated coconut on top. This is completely optional. Also, we'll add some coriander leaves. Our dhoklas are ready, and you can see they are so nice and spongy and airy. You can see they are bouncing back. And please do try this recipe at your home, and please comment me, and I'm sure you all are going to love this easy process of dhokla making. And please subscribe to my channel. Also share this recipe with your family and friends, and give a thumbs up below, the like button.